Next up, Spider-Man. What the heck? Do the real stuff. Whoa! Clap, 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 clap. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah! Make some noise! Last but not least, my brother. Let's go, Yummy. Let's go. Let's go. Everyone clap. Everyone clap. No clapping? Watch him, guys. Watch him. Let's go, Yummy. I see you. Hey, 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 hey. Ah. Make some noise. Let's go! Everybody clap your hands! Clap! Clap! The show's not over! Everybody clap your hands! Everybody clap your hands! Everybody clap. Come on, y'all, with the energy. Let's keep the energy going, New York City. Let's go, Dustin! Let's go! Hey! 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 Make some noise! Let's go, Dustin! Nice! Make some noise for Dusty, make some noise! We have 3 rules to your show. Rule number 1, you see it, you like it, you clap. Rule number 2, you see it, you do not like it, you still clap. And rule number 3, energy from the beginning to the middle to the end. At the count of 3, give us some New York energy. 1, 2, go! Now listen up. If you're gonna watch the black guys, you can't be afraid of the black guys. It's fun, 2024. Let's have some fun.
Let's walk. Let's walk.
That's Bone, New York City. Go Bone.
Go Bone.
Go Bone.
Go Bone.
Okay, next up, the oldest member, 55 years old. Don't blink. Whoa. Okay, he's warming up. See something you like, make some noise. Yeah. I taught him that. Here we go.
Woo!
I got the stress. I gotta carry him. Yeah, I'ma go into this. Yeah, this is gorilla. Yeah, I'ma go get the bag. Yeah, boy, I'ma get the bag. Yeah, I'm so cold, yeah. I'm so dull, yeah. Dull, yeah. This is America. Don't got you slipping now. Don't got you slipping now. What I'm whipping now. This is America. Don't got you slipping now. slipping on the car, you know. Hey, I'm so pretty. Gucci. I'm so pretty. Hey, get it. This is Sally. Kodak. Black. Ooh, know that. Ooh, get it. Ooh. On the bands. Contraband. I got the plug on who a hawker. Whoa. They gonna find you like Paco. America.
I just checked my phone, listen. You motherfuckers told me. Understand what is the reason for the treasonable behavior. Save that nonsense for later. It seems you have
the bill.